Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.72. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 8.04% to 23.46%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 41.41% over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging from 41.41% to 61.43%. This corresponds to a price range of $591.58 to $675.34 after a year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft features the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Microsoft as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 31st of July 2024, the Microsoft stock price decreased by 1.08%, dropping from $422.92 to $418.35. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.25%, ranging from a low of $412.50 to a high of $421.78. The stock has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a decrease of 5.68% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased by 15 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may indicate an early warning sign. Consequently, the risk could elevate slightly over the next few days. In total, 42 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $17.620 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest was $309.45. Currently, the price is 10.68%, or $50, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent quarterly earnings report has generated significant market attention, particularly due to its mixed performance indicators. While the company surpassed expectations in both revenue and earnings, concerns about slowing growth in its Azure cloud services and underwhelming guidance for future cloud revenue persist. Consequently, MSFT shares experienced downward pressure immediately following the announcement, reflecting investor anxiety regarding the company's stance on artificial intelligence spending. Despite these challenges, many analysts continue to regard Microsoft as a strong buy. This optimistic perspective arises from the company's historical ability to deliver robust returns, coupled with an updated 5-year price target that suggests potential growth. The recent market correction affecting the Nasdaq and semiconductor sectors, particularly with major players like Nvidia facing losses, has contributed to overall caution among investors. Additionally, Microsoft's significant capital expenditures for AI infrastructure, while perceived by some as a short-term burden, are viewed positively in the long term as they bolster growth in cloud and AI capabilities. Reports indicate that these substantial investments benefit not only Microsoft but also chip makers, stimulating broader activity within the sector. In the short term, volatility is anticipated as investors process these mixed signals. However, long-term prospects remain constructive, especially if Microsoft can leverage its AI initiatives and restore confidence in cloud revenue growth. Overall, while the current outlook is shrouded in uncertainty, Microsoft's fundamental strengths could provide a solid foundation for recovery and growth in the weeks and months to come. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Microsoft an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Microsoft an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Microsoft an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Microsoft stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, we can expect resistance at the levels of $426.49 and $445.60. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 5th, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.52%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices decreased, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a buy signal 8 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 8 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average registered a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 187 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $415.13, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock generally experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.27 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.25%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 2.50%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is quite typical, often observed in companies that have established long-term performance or reliable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $418.40. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $415.13. If this support level holds firm, it might be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Al executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N made an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A conducted an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S made an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E conducted an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 83.84. In total, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? The Microsoft stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a generally positive trend, our analysis suggests that Microsoft may experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have reassessed our position on this stock, downgrading our recommendation from hold or accumulate to sell. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading session, we have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of August, we anticipate that Microsoft will open down by 81 cents, beginning at $417.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.